What is up, guys? Today we are back with another toaster review. I know it's been a while, but we got the new Morphy Richards toaster. So now we got the 4-pocket toaster. Both go down pretty well. And we've got 3 simple mechanisms. We've got a toaster, which I don't know how to function with. This is a freezer. This is the top your thing down when you're like midway and you're like, nah, I don't want my toast anymore toasted. So after that we have this to heat it more. You want it more toasty. Now this does have a pretty short connector, so keep that in mind. And it has good ventilation system. 4 pockets can get you a whole breakfast in 4 minutes. 4 bread, 4 minutes. Well, not 4 minutes, basically like 2 minutes. Let's have a bread montage.
Right on your lap.